So we could see some record heat tomorrow here on the Suncoast, Bob.
Yeah, strong easterly winds, no sea breeze, means that we could see highs approaching 90 degrees tomorrow, which is close to the record, and it wouldn't be too far to go to get to the record high. We have 88 today, 89 yesterday, so not too far off from that. We could use the rainfall, if you have, down here vacationing, you don't have much of a stake in the state, you enjoy this. But if you do, you want the rainfall, you want that rain. That way is a webcam showing some clouds moving in from the east to the west, and it brought a few sprinkles. I think I counted 25 drops on my windshield. That was about it. Not much to really help matters when it comes to our record deficit of rainfall. Since October, it's the third driest season we've had through the winter and early spring in 100 years here along the Suncoast. So that's quite a story there. Casey Key, Fred Seeger getting this glorious shot there as the sun was setting. Some high clouds lighting up, and this from Lido. Stephanie getting this shot, and I guess her husband was out there too. He also sent a photo in. Jim, I think they both look really good. I don't want to say who's better, but nonetheless, Golden Beach, Lillian just got this in at 10:54 tonight. Lillian was just able to catch that and put it on there. Appreciate the shots. And warm weekend, we talked about it. Near record high temperatures possible, both on Saturday and Easter Sunday. Rain chance next week. Finally, we're going to get some rainfall late next week. 40% chance. This is the highest we've seen in a while. And speaking of high, the tree pollen is very high, 10.5 today. Tomorrow's forecast a little bit lower, but still a problem, especially for folks who suffer from oak or bayberry or hickory pollen, and those are the highest counts right now. As far as the satellite goes, we have a little system out here in the Gulf of Mexico. It's acting up, and storms are getting so tall or high in the atmosphere, 30 to 40,000 feet, that the upper level winds are carrying some of the cirrus clouds overhead. But these clouds may be on again and off again tomorrow. It's not going to block the sun out, though. We'll see plenty of sunshine throughout most of the day as these thin cirrus clouds do not block much of the sunshine. A few showers down to our south along the Florida Straits. That's where the moisture is kind of bottled up right now. And temperatures all uniform right now from Sarasota, Braden into Venice, 73 degrees. And the current high temperature today was 88 degrees. 80 is the normal high. 94 the record, so we were shy of the record. 61 was the morning low, the record low 45, and no rainfall to report today. We don't anticipate any over the weekend. Those winds will be brisk out of the east. They will not allow that west coast sea breeze to develop in the afternoon, and it looks as though we'll see high temperatures approaching 90 degrees. The news is, though, with the east wind, the humidity won't be that high, so it won't feel as bad as it would if you get a 90-degree reading, say in August or September. You can see the clear skies from Alabama forecast, Georgia, the Carolinas, that area of high pressure just situated just off the coast of Florida, as it has been all week long. It stays with us through Easter Sunday, so sunrise services look good. There's a chance for a few passing showers late in the day, both on Saturday and Sunday. Those will be very widely scattered. Some big storms firing up now in Nebraska and through Iowa. We had some rough weather in Texas earlier. Tornadoes reported there. And then out west, things are starting to calm down after a few days of heavy rainfall to snow falling in some of the Sierra Nevada range all the way up into Washington and Oregon. Temperatures right now much cooler over the northern Rockies in the 40s and 50s there, 40s and 50s in Toronto, down into Cleveland and Detroit. Warmer, though, in Dallas at 70 degrees right now. Here's the forecast for boaters tomorrow. Shapes up to be a little bit breezy. Seas will be running 2 to 3 feet with a moderate chop on the bays and inland waters. The high tide upcoming will be at 3:34. Another one at 2:12 tomorrow afternoon, and sunrise at 7:06. Partly cloudy, clearing late, and we'll have 63 for a low. Tomorrow, mostly sunny. Should be beautiful out there. Mid-80s for highs. The extended forecast. Easter looking good, 84, and then temperatures warming, or at least staying in the mid-80s right on in through Friday of next week. You'll notice those rain chances getting better as we head into the end part of the work week next week.